Hello everyone and welcome. My name is BadCode. How's everybody doing? Yeah, today we're going to have a fun one. I'm assuming it's going to be quick. We are going to convert add-on cars for GTA and make them ready for FiveM. So that way you have a lot more cars you can place, and it is very easy to do. So let's get to it. Okay, as we usually do, we go to our favorite location to get vehicles and that are free. Just heads up, be careful if you have a public server. Cars that have the symbols of major brands or anything like that, you can't use them, or you have to remove them. You cannot use copyrighted symbols of the other how can I say, brands on your server without permission, of course. So we usually, when I did create the two tutorials for qbcore and QBox, we usually went for the ones that said FiveM. Here FiveM, over here FiveM, this one is also FiveM, and that's a little boring because a lot of the cars are add-ons. Most of them are add-ons. Add-on here, this one is not prepared for FiveM, blah blah. Okay, so we're going to take two cars. We're going to take this one. I already have it up here somewhere. Yeah, right here. Right here. And we're going to also going to use the one that's on page 3, I think. This one right here. Coil Cyclone. Since I already have them here, the usual stuff. Click download. Click here. These do not have instructions for FiveM. If you look here, there are no instructions for FiveM. It just tells you how to add it, and some weird stuff that doesn't work for FiveM. So we're going to start with Clone Cyclone. I've already downloaded both of them, so that way I don't have to do it. So here's one and here's the other. We're going to use this one first. The first thing we have to do, we have to extract it. So use your favorite extractor, extract it, and here we go. Just go in here. We're assuming we're going to be looking for a DLC.rpf. When you do find one, we're going to create two directories. One, let's call it, just to be nice, FiveM. And inside FiveM, we're going to create a new folder called Stream. We'll be back here in a few minutes. And in this directory, this is the same for all of them. It's mostly just copy paste. We're going to create a fx manifest.lua. Most people use resources, but since we're going to be using this for qbcore or QBox, I would advise using this one. I don't know if SX uses resources more than manifest, but you guys can check that out later. So we're going to edit this. I am going to place this in the description. If I do forget, I will place it in the pinned comment down below. This is what's the word I'm looking for? It's always the same. For normal cars, it's always the same. We don't have to change anything. These are the main files. It may happen that you're missing this one, but don't worry. It still works. But you do need these four. The vehicle.meta, the car variation, the handling, and the vehicle layout. These are extremely important. Without these, things may go wrong. So save this file. Now, like I said, we do need open IV. So if you don't have it, you do have to download it. It is necessary to use this application. It is free. You do have to have GTA installed. On this server, I don't have it installed, but I do have a copy of that file of the system. But this usually works with the original GTA. So we're going to open this up. We're going to choose FiveM. Not FiveM, GTA 5. This may take a little bit to load. We're going to go back to our file, I think it's here, our DCL RPF, and we're going to copy this or drag it over to this section, to the bottom. As you can see, it's appeared alone here, and inside you have a lot of beautiful things. And what we want, actually not this is always empty. We want to go all the way down to vehicles down here, and we're going to click on this one, vehicles.rpf. As you can see here, there are all these files. What we're going to do is we're going to go back to our directory, enter FiveM, and enter the stream directory. And then we're going to copy all these files over here. The first part is done. Go back to the FiveM directory. I should have did this a little different. I should have created a directory to place all this in, but we'll get to that in a few seconds. In your OpenIV, we're done with x64, so we can just close this out. We are now going to common data levels GTA. Here, this file right here, we are going to copy this to where the stream directory is. It should be in the same directory as fx manifest there. And we still have another one in here, AI. You should search for all of these directories in data, anything that says meta, and you're going to copy them all over here. This one only has 2. Oh, we've got more. You should go up to data and you should see all of these. Copy them all too. Everything that has meta inside the common, copy them over to the file. So we have 1, 2, handling, and car variations. They're the 4 that are most important for this situation. But we're still missing one, which is this one, car coils. Not all of them have it. Some of them do. Most of them don't need it. This one right here, I don't know if this one is needed also, but copy it anyway. It works. And this one over here, DLC text, is also, I'm not sure if it's needed or not. Actually, we can see what's in there. It should be important. I don't know if the other files look at it, but copy everything that says meta from inside the common. Go in here, select it all, copy, AI, select it all, copy, levels, that doesn't have anything, GTA, copy. Once you're done, that's it. You've converted it to a FiveM thing. In this directory, I should have probably created another one called cdrum and copied everything in here over to there. That way, all we have to do is copy it to our QBox. So the next step, go to your resources, the location where you keep your vehicles. I usually have a directory called vehicles, and I just throw them all in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the cdrum over to your resource directory. I'm not going to explain that much. You can always go to my other videos. I'll probably link them up below with a little card so you guys can check it out. I have videos for qbcore and QBox, so check them out. I did copy. I didn't have to copy. I moved it. I didn't copy it. Let's make a copy here. So we're almost done. We do have to check the name. It should be cdrum, but to confirm it, just go here to vehicle.meta and see if it is cdrum. It is. Okay, so now we're gonna have to go to your, we are doing this in QBox, I'm sorry, and you should go to your QBox QBX underscore core / shared / vehicles.lua. Go all the way to the end. Since we're doing a sports car, I'm assuming this is a sports car. We're not going to use a sports car because this will be a luxury car. And if you do use a luxury car, let's do a luxury car. So let's copy one that has the category as a sports. Copy. Paste. Now here we change the name to cdrum. Cdrum. Extra note, if your vehicle starts with a number, you're going to have to use this or else it will break. If you don't have numbers at the beginning, you can just write as is. But if you do have numbers, you have to put those little brackets and quotations in the name. So the name, let's call this, I don't know, cdrum. Actually, let me just check something. Let's copy this name. You can put any name you want. This probably should be reversed. I'm not sure. I'm sorry. Let's do it like this. Since it is called cdrum, I'm assuming it's a cdrum. Now let's keep it as is. We should change this name too. And this one down here. If you're using sports, or what was the other one? Supers. These classes only appear in luxury. So you do have to add it to your vehicle shops config.share up here. So all you have to do is cdrum equals luxury. Don't forget the comma. It is very important, the comma, or else your whole system will break. It will not load. You'll have the black screen. So be careful. Save that. Save this. This doesn't exist anymore. So did I copy it already? Yeah, I did. Okay, so it's already here. So we do have to restart the server, and I'll see you there. Okay, with a little luck, it should already be on the server. So let's try it out. Car C-drum. Oh, it's an electric car. As you can see, this is the interior, pretty awesome. So let's try it out. As you can see, it's working pretty fine. It's not a very fast car. I don't know if you can change the handling or anything like that. I haven't gotten to that part yet. Well, that's one car. Let's try the other one. Okay, same thing. Download it. When you have it downloaded, it should have this name. You can download anyone, just as long as you do the same thing, you are good. Extract. Open it up. You can read all the things. This is the file that you're going to be using. Like I said, create a, you can create a FiveM so there won't be any mistakes. Inside the FiveM, create a IVT. Inside IVT, create a stream folder. And if you want, you can just go copy the file you created here, the FX manifest, since you already have it, copy and place it on the other one also. Paste. If you still have your open IV open, you can close this from your previous file. Go back to your IVT, just drag it over to OpenIV, and same thing. Go to your x64, levels, GTA, vehicles, and click on vehicles.rpf. You can just open the directory here to go inside the stream folder. Copy everything that's over here over to your Steam folder. Boom, that's done. Go back to our directory. You can close x64. You don't need anything here. Let me just check. Always check to see if there's any metas in here. Actually, there are not, so don't worry about it. Go to your data folder in the common. Open it up. And as I said before, copy everything that says meta. That, levels doesn't have it, AI. Copy it over, data, a whole bunch of them. Copy everything. Common, there's nothing in there. And you're done. You can minimize this. Copy the IVT to your vehicles in your resource directory. Paste. Just to confirm the name of the car, go to your vehicles.meta. Edit it, and you should see it should be IVT. So there it is. You can close this. You can go to your vehicles.lua in your qbcore shared vehicles.lua. You can actually copy this, paste it, call it IVT. I think this is a hammer, I think. Let me check. I think it's Icona. This part you can put whatever you want. It is up to you. I really don't know these names of cars. I just import them. I'm assuming it's like this. Yeah, this is the one I entered. It's a sports, it's an automobile. Whoops, I did something wrong here. Here it's IVT. Made a mistake. This is the one that says titanium. This is the one that says Icona. Don't forget to place down here too. This name should be the same as model and hash. They should all be the same. So IVT is done. We can add it also to the luxury. That way you'll be there already. If it's not a sports or a super, if it's one of the other classes, it should automatically be in the PDM. But if not, you can always put it here. These are imported cars. I think they should be in luxury and not anywhere else. Don't forget the comma at the end. Please, it's important to have a comma at the end. Save it. Save your vehicles also. And I'll see you in the game in a few seconds. Okay, let's see if it's up and running. Car IVT. Oh boy, I remember this one. I did test out these cars before trying this. Let's do this. This one has oomph. As you can see, that was a brake. Took like forever to brake. We can see if it's actually at the, where is it, right here. There it is. You bad driver. So as you can see, this one really moves. This one, bad things will happen. After you pass 220, bad things will happen. So be careful. So let's see if our two cars are here. Swap sports. The first one is a coil something. Here it is. Well, it's in the air. I don't know why. It's probably the configuration for the car. Maybe. Not sure. But we're not going to buy this one. We're going to buy the other one. The other one is a hammer. Did I change it? I don't think I did. Did I change it? Yeah, I did. Volcano Titan. Okay. So starts, probably passed it already and haven't seen it. Well, gotta go slower then. Oh, here it is. Okay, so we're gonna buy this one. And we're gonna see if it works in the park. See if everything works, garages and everything. Insurance scam. It should be around here. I didn't fix this one yet. Gotta fix this one. Here it is. There it is. As you can see, it works. So there you have it. That's how you convert GTA add-ons to FiveM. This conversion works for QBox and qbcore. I am not certain if ESX it works also, but it should. Instead of using the FX manifest, you probably have to use the resource one. I don't know if it's the same or not, but if you do investigate, you should find an easy converter for it. So that is it. Thank you so much for joining. Again, thank you so much for the 200 subscribers. I wish 2,000 subscribers. 200 subscribers. You guys have been amazing. You guys have been out there giving me this amazing support, and it even makes me want to do more of these videos for you guys. So if you did like the video, leave a like. It really does help out the channel. If you want to be informed of new videos, I do QBox, qbcore. I will be doing other games also very soon. Not sure which ones, but maybe you'll learn very soon. Do subscribe to the channel. It does help a lot being subscribed, and also hit that notification button. It really does also help the channel. If you do have any comment or suggestions, slam them down below in the comments section. If you need any help or anything like that, stop by our Discord. There is a channel to talk, to ask for help. It's called Ask for Help. Please use that. Don't use the normal chat, but you can, and I'll warn you, and then you can do your asking later on. I do help out any free scripts, and probably adding some MLOs or vehicles or anything like that. But if it's paid, please ask the original creator. They're more informed to help you than me. Okay, that is it. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.